We are back. I'm just here to report that 1, I'm the man. 2, I combined 2 short shifters together to achieve bliss. You kind of see the X at the end. That is the short shifter I have on this car from my previous video. This right here is Billetworkz. When I combined both of them, I ended up with this level of short shifting. Like, pay attention to like the engagement of like where the shifter is and how little the distance is from the center. We're talking about this being neutral, 3rd gear. Like, come on now. OEM one is very, kind of flick of the wrist. This one, you're gonna need to be kind of more direct than what you're doing. I like that. Feels so good. I'm just gonna show you how this looks when I'm shifting. Okay, 1st gear. Second. Third gear. 4th gear. And 5th gear. And 6th gear.